All right, cooking fam. Ever find yourself staring at a bowl of leftover pancake batter, feeling like you've reached the end of the breakfast line? Fear not, my culinary comrades. For today, we're transforming that batter into a dessert army. We're talking about cake pops, mini muffins, and even cinnamon rolls, all made from that magical pancake batter. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get this batter party started. First up, we're tackling the king of fun-sized treats, cake pops. These little bites of joy are super easy to make and even more fun to decorate. Trust me, once you pop, you just can't stop. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of leftover pancake batter, half a cup of your favorite frosting, sprinkles, chocolate chips, chopped nuts, let your imagination run wild. Asterisk lollipop sticks. Instructions: 1. Pour that glorious pancake batter into a greased and floured cake pop maker. 2. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. 3. Let those beauties cool completely before the real fun begins. 4. Dip the tip of a lollipop stick into the frosting and then into the cake pop. 5. Now dip the entire cake pop into the frosting and then let your inner artist shine by decorating with sprinkles, chocolate chips, or whatever your heart desires. See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now go ahead and impress your mates with these bite-sized wonders. Next up, we're shrinking things down a bit with mini pancake batter muffins. These little guys are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without going into a sugar coma. Ingredients to gather: 1½ cups of leftover pancake batter, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, because everything's better with cinnamon. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to a respectable 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Combine your leftover pancake batter, milk, melted butter, sugar, and cinnamon in a bowl. Mix it up until it's smooth and happy. 3. Grease those muffin tins, lads. No one likes a sticky situation. 4. Pour the batter into the muffin tins, filling each one about 2/3 full. 5. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let those little beauties cool for a bit before you devour them. They're delicious on their own, but a dollop of whipped cream or a drizzle of honey never hurt anyone. Hold on to your hats because we're about to take things to the next level with pancake batter cinnamon rolls. These are the ultimate breakfast dessert hybrid, and trust me, they're worth every delicious bite. Ingredients for sweet swirls: 1 cup of leftover pancake batter, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts, optional but highly recommended. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and grease a baking dish. 2. Roll out your pancake batter on a lightly floured surface until it's about 1/4 inch thick. 3. Brush that beautiful batter with melted butter, then sprinkle it generously with brown sugar, cinnamon, and nuts, if you're feeling nutty. 4. Roll the batter up tightly, then slice it into 1-inch thick rolls. 5. Place those rolls in the baking dish, then bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown and gooey. While those beauties are baking, whip up a simple icing with powdered sugar and a splash of milk. Drizzle that icing over the warm cinnamon rolls and prepare for a flavor explosion that'll rock your world. There you have it, my friends. 3 incredible dessert recipes that transform your leftover pancake batter from breakfast basic to dessert champion. These recipes are easy enough for even the most novice baker and delicious enough to impress the harshest food critic, aka your mum. So, next time you find yourself with a surplus of batter, don't let it go to waste. Embrace the culinary challenge and whip up one of these delightful desserts. Your taste buds will thank you.